All right, a little refresher on graphing equations. So we have this equation here, y equals -1/2 x plus 2. We always want to identify the m and b value first. Excuse me. Our m value is our slope, which is -1/2. Our b value is our y-intercept, which is 2. I'm going to plot our y-intercept first. So it's on the y-axis. I put a point at +2. My slope is -1/2. So from that point, I'm going to go down 1, right 2, put another point. I'm going to do it again. Down 1, right 2, another point. Down 1, right 2. I can also, instead of going down to the right, if I want points in the other direction, I can do the opposite, up to the left. So up 1, left 2. Again, up 1, left 2. Again, up 1, left 2. It's always best to use the most amount of points you can. It's just going to help us out identifying some information. All right, so there's my line. What is the value of y when x equals 4? Well, if you look, x equals 4 right at this point. Well, it's on the x-axis, so y is 0. So I can write that as coordinates 4, 0. My next question is 2, 1, a solution. So I want you to find that point. So I go to the right 2, up 1. It is a solution because it's a point on the line. That's all that means. By solution, is it a point on the line? Excellent. All right, our next equation, you're probably noticing it looks a little different because it's not in y equals. We need to get y by itself in order to graph it. So if you look on the left side of the equation, there's that -4x. We just want to move it to the right side. So we're going to add 4x to both sides. And then you notice that cancels, so we get y equals. On the right-hand side, those are not like terms. We can't combine them. So I'm just going to write them next to each other. 4x, the 3 is a negative, so -3. I have y by itself. Now let's identify our slope, which is 4. 4 over 1, same thing. And our b value is -3. So you always want to start with our b value, the y-intercept. It's at -3, so I'm going to go down to -3. Our slope is 4 over 1. So we go up 4, right 1. I'm going to do it again. Up 4, right 1. I really don't have any room to do any more points, so I'm just going to connect those 3. Do as many points that fit. Okay, what is the value of of y when x equals 0? What is the value of y when x equals 0? You know what? I'm going to change that. Sorry, that should be when x equals 1. Sorry about that. So what is the value of y when x equals 1? So I look to the right on 1 and follow it up. You notice I have a point at 1, 1. So y is also 1. So the coordinates are 1, 1. The next question is 1, 0 a solution? Well, if I go to the right there, 1, 0 is that point on the line. It is not on the line, therefore it is not a solution. All right, move on to your independent.